Hi guys, welcome to my new acrylic pouring tutorial, and today I'm inspired with the colors of Deepholm. This is the location in one famous online game, and maybe you can guess what I mean. The color palette will be very contrasting, and I will use black and white for the base. By the way, many of you are asking me what mixture do I use, so I want to share with you guys. I use only paint and water mixture, and for all the colors my proportion is 1 part paint and 1 part water, except titanium white. For titanium white, usually I use 2 parts paint and 1 part water. I hope it will help you guys, and now back to the painting. My base is ready, and the first color I use is iridescent blue-green by PBO. This is Pearl White by Amsterdam Acrylics. And this is greenish blue, a little bit mixed with titanium white, turquoise green, deep gold, turquoise blue, and more black. Let's touch the paint, cause there's lots of bubbles now, and blow it out. The white color went too far at the bottom. I tried to blow out the blue through white. And here I need to remove extra paint. I really like the colors and the composition. Let's jump to the next step. My painting is dry, and I want to show you guys how I cover it with gloss varnish. I use gloss varnish spray by Winsor & Newton, but my painting is not totally flat, so I will see how it works, and maybe I will cover it with epoxy resin later. So here it is, my Deepholm covered with gloss varnish, and what do you think? Should I just leave it like that, or maybe I should cover it with epoxy resin? Please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. Thank you very much, see you next time, bye bye!